how to fix apps not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you also facing such type of issue, your apps not working in Windows 11 and 10, to try these fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type Microsoft Store and open Microsoft Store app. Here from the left pane, go to the library section, click on it and update all your apps available updates. Click on get updates and Windows will now update all your Microsoft Store apps. Thereafter, check whether your apps working or not. After, once the also click update all button and check whether your apps are working or not. If not, go to the next page, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and install Windows latest update. If any updates pending to download or install, click on download and install, and also you can check for updates. The third workaround is again go to Windows settings and under system settings click on troubleshoot other troubleshooters and here look for Microsoft Windows Store troubleshooter. Run the Windows Store troubleshooters, click on run button and Windows will now detect problems, temporary internet file location, diagnosing. Let the window complete the troubleshooting process. Reset an app. You can reset apps that are not working right from apps and feature. Open apps and features. Select the apps that are not working. Tap or click advanced option, then reset. Here you will find all your installed apps. Choose which app is not working properly. Click on three horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Scroll down and you will find the option reset. First choose the repair button and thereafter choose reset apps. Similar action will be applied for all the other apps having problem. Simply go to advanced options and under reset choose repair button and then reset button and check whether your error is resolved or not. Thereafter go to again troubleshooting page, click on next. Windows will detect additional problems and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to the Windows search, type services and open services windows. Here go to the application identity, double click on it to open, and if you find service status stopped, click on start. The start application identity in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Finally click on OK button and check whether your apps are working is or not. If not, go to the next fixes, again open services windows and also run the Windows update services. Windows update services, if it already set up at automatic mode, if not, click on automatic and choose a start option. That's